What happens to your body when you eat carrots every day? Carrots, known for their slightly sweet taste, are a highly versatile vegetable that are packed with a variety of essential nutrients, such as vitamins, fiber, carbohydrates, potassium, calcium, and iron. By incorporating carrots into your diet, you can experience a wide range of health benefits. Carrots, with their slightly sweet taste, are a versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Whether eaten raw in salads, added to parathas, or used in desserts such as halwa and cakes, carrots are an excellent addition to your winter diet. Not only do they add flavor and color, but they are also packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, fiber, carbohydrates, potassium, calcium, and iron. Additionally, carrots are a great source of antioxidants, making them a reliable choice for maintaining your daily antioxidant intake. In addition to their delicious taste, carrots offer a wide range of health benefits. These benefits include improving eyesight, reducing the risk of cancer and heart disease, and boosting the immune system. For those with diabetes, it's important to note that carrots can also help regulate blood glucose levels, making them a valuable addition to a winter diet. Therefore, it's recommended that you do not exclude this root vegetable from your diet. Carrots are a highly beneficial food that offer a wide range of advantages, making them a must-have in our diets. Whether enjoyed in salads, used as a mid-meal snack, incorporated into sabzis, or even used to prepare occasional sweet halwa, this versatile root vegetable should be at the top of your grocery list. 8 amazing benefits of adding carrots to your daily diet. 1. Eye health. You may have heard that incorporating carrots into your diet can help promote better eye health. This is due to the presence of beta-carotene, an active compound of vitamin A. Additionally, the carotenoids lutein and zeaxanthin found in carrots can also aid in maintaining healthy eyes and preventing degenerative conditions such as cataracts and vision loss. 2. Weight loss. Carrots are a low-calorie food that are high in dietary fiber, making them an excellent choice for promoting feelings of fullness. This means that munching on carrots can make you feel satisfied faster than consuming other low-fiber foods. As a result, carrots are a great snacking option for those experiencing late-night hunger pangs. 3. Gut health. Carrots are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which can aid in digestion and promote optimal gut health. The soluble and insoluble fiber found in carrots can help maintain a healthy gut microflora and result in firmer stools, preventing conditions like constipation. By incorporating carrots into your diet, you can enjoy the benefits of improved digestion and overall gut health. 4. Immunity. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which can help support a healthy immune system. Additionally, they also contain a moderate amount of vitamin C, which is known for its disease prevention properties. The antioxidants found in carrots not only help control free radicals but also aid in boosting the body's immunity. By incorporating carrots into your diet, you can enjoy the benefits of improved immunity and overall health. 5. Blood sugar control. Despite being classified as medium to high glycemic index (G) foods, carrots have a surprisingly low glycemic load, meaning the amount of carbohydrates per gram of food is low. This makes them an excellent food choice for individuals with diabetes or those who are monitoring their carbohydrate intake. By including carrots in your diet, you can enjoy their health benefits without negatively affecting your blood sugar levels. 6. Antioxidant properties. Carrots are abundant in 2 essential antioxidants, carotenoids and anthocyanins. These antioxidants not only safeguard against severe health conditions such as cancer but are also beneficial for heart health. By consuming carrots, you can enjoy the benefits of these antioxidants and improve your overall health. 7. Cholesterol-lowering properties. In addition to promoting better gut health, the soluble fiber found in carrots can also help reduce cholesterol levels, particularly LDL cholesterol in the blood. As high cholesterol levels can lead to heart disease, it is recommended that individuals with cardiovascular problems consume carrots regularly. By incorporating carrots into your diet, you can help improve your cholesterol levels and promote overall heart health. 8. Healthy skin and hair. Eating carrots can result in glowing, healthy skin and beautiful hair, thanks to the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of this superfood. Carrots also contain vitamin E, commonly known as the beauty vitamin, which possesses anti-aging properties that benefit both the skin and hair. By incorporating carrots into your diet, you can enjoy the benefits of these nutrients and achieve healthier skin and hair. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.